Hello, my friends, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm your host, Harry, and I'm truly happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about motivation in language learning, how to stay consistent, how to stay patient, and how to enjoy learning English even on the difficult days. In this podcast, I speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat key ideas so you can understand clearly and feel confident while listening. You can listen, repeat, and shadow along with me. This method helps you practice step by step and builds real speaking confidence. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Learning English is not easy, and it's okay if it feels slow. Everyone needs time. Time to listen, time to understand, time to practice, time to grow. Some days feel exciting. Some days feel difficult. That is normal. That is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, just keep going. Even small steps are still progress. You don't need perfection. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need every word. You only need to continue, slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are improving, even if you don't see it yet. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the climb is easy. Sometimes it is hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will see how far you've come. You've learned new vocabulary. You've listened. You've practiced. You've improved. Even if you don't feel the progress, it is happening.
Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. But every learner needs motivation. Motivation is not always loud or exciting. Sometimes it is soft, quiet, a small voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just one more minute." If you feel tired, rest. Then return. You don't need a perfect plan. You only need to come back again and again. Ask yourself, why am I learning English? Is it for my job? Is it for travel? Is it for connection? Or simply because I love learning? Your reason is powerful. Your reason will keep you going. Even 5 minutes of practice is progress. Even listening only is progress. Even trying is progress. Be proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. Some days you feel busy, stressed, or unmotivated. You think, "I don't want to study today." And that's okay. Here are simple motivation tips. Tip 1. Do just a little. You don't need 1 full hour. Just 5 minutes. Listen to a short clip. Read one small paragraph. Repeat one sentence. Small actions repeated every day create real growth. Tip 2. Remember your why. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close. Your reason is fuel. Tip 3. Make learning easy. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Keep your notebook on your desk. Save English videos to your phone. Set a 10-minute timer. Once you start, learning becomes easier. Tip 4. Be kind to yourself. Don't say, "I'm slow. I'm bad at English. I'll never speak well." Instead, say, "I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm doing something challenging." Tip 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you watch an English video today? That's a win. Did you remember one new word? That's a win. Did you try even a little? That is success. Small wins create big progress. If you want to feel your improvement, keep a small notebook. Record your voice weekly. Notice tiny moments of understanding. One day, a sentence will feel easy. One day, subtitles won't be needed. One day, you will speak without thinking. That is real progress. Quiet, but powerful.
English is not just a subject. It is a global key, a real-life tool. With English, you can talk to people across the world, make friends from different cultures, travel with confidence, apply for better jobs, study abroad, access international opportunities. More than 1.5 billion people speak English. When you speak it, you are never alone. English connects you to the world. You have reached the end of today's episode on 24/7 Talk English. I am proud of you. You are learning. You are growing. You are doing something that can change your future. It doesn't matter if you speak slowly. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. It doesn't matter if you feel shy. What matters is you showed up, you tried, you continued. I'm Ali, and this is 24/7 Talk English. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trusting the process. And thank you for being part of this journey. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye for now.